Hey, it's Jess Haas. I'm here at the HouseHack Seattle Happy Hour, and today we're talking about medium-term rentals and what are the top tips for making your medium-term rental the best one out there. So hello, Sarah Weaver.
Hey, Jess.
What is your top tip for midterm rentals?
Don't do it. No, I'm only kidding. For midterm rentals, I think you really have to decide, is the strategy right for me? For example, do you have the capital to furnish? Do you have the ability or patience to get it set up? And then either you're gonna self-manage or you're gonna hire a co-host. I think people forget that all takes time. If you're like, yes, I'm in, let's do it. I already know I need to do it. My top tip is to just really be on top of your listing. Anytime I hear a real estate investor say something like, I've been vacant for 6 weeks, I'm like, what are you doing? Like, if you're vacant for like 6 days, you should be asking yourself, why am I vacant? Why am I not getting showings? What can I do? And sometimes the answer is tweaks to your listing, but sometimes the answer is you need to, reach out to a professional and they need to help you, or like another set of eyes need to tell you, like, girl, your property has no nightstands. Like, nobody wants to stay there. People think that their listing is better than it is. And so sometimes getting a third party to really give you an honest answer is so worth it.
All right, guys, I'm here with Marty, and he has a medium-term rental. Marty, what is your top tip for medium-term rentals?
Yeah, so my top tip would be location, location, location. My medium-term rental is in Ballard, Washington. It's very close to hospitals, it's very close to public transit, and that would be my one top tip.
I'm here with Xiomara, and she has just started listing her units as a medium-term rental. So Xiomara, what is your top tip?
Yes, my top tip, it's something super simple, but I didn't think about it at first, but it's literally giving your tenant or your guest a sheet of instructions with things that you normally wouldn't think of, but whether it's like, okay, the heater is located over here and this is how you turn it on, or hey, this is how the dishwasher works. Things that probably doesn't come to mind like right away, but it saves you a lot of time, because that way in the future I avoid having to answer questions versus just giving them like literally a sheet of paper with
And you seem super
there.
professional when you give them the list of this is exactly where all these things are.
Exactly.
And this is how you do it.
Exactly.
Thanks for watching. This is Jess at HouseHack Seattle. We do this HouseHack Seattle meetup every single month. Hope to see you at the next one.